everyone! I'm Teacher Melike from EnglishCentral. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn about simple present continuous tense. First, let's explore how and when we use the simple present continuous tense. We use it for actions happening right now, like I am watching TV. Also for temporary situations or actions around the present time, such as she is studying for her exam this week. And sometimes for future, when we make plans, like they are meeting at the park tomorrow. Do you like our examples? You know where to find more. English Central has more than 20,000 video lessons and 200 plus video courses. Click on the link below to visit our website EnglishCentral.com or download our app English Central to check out our educational materials. We also offer you one free lesson without teachers for free so that you can check it all out for yourself. For now, let's continue with the lesson. Let's break down the structure of this tense. It should be formed by using am, is, or are plus the ing form of the verb. Let's give an example of this structure. For example, I am eating lunch. In this sentence, the am is the present tense of to be. And the ing form of the verb indicates that there is a continuity in the action. This construction tells us that the action is happening right now. Creating negative sentences and questions is easy too. For negatives, simply add not after am, is, or are. For questions, change the places of the subject and am, is, or are. Check out these examples. For negative, I am not working today. For question, are you coming to the party tonight? And there you have it, the simple present continuous tense. It is a tense that helps us talk about actions happening now or in the near future. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click the link below and visit our website EnglishCentral.com to learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click the bell button. Don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, take care!